Are you playful pink or racy red? I'm going to show you two makeup looks that are perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm Amelia from the YouTube channel XAmeliaX, and I've teamed up with Rimmel London today to bring you two makeup looks that are perfect for Valentine's Day. One is a more romantic, softer kind of look, and the second is a deep, vampy red. So I've started off with my base, which is the same for both looks, and we've got our Fix and Protect primer to make sure your makeup stays all day long. And then we've used the Match Perfection foundation, and I've got this one in True Ivory. It comes in 12 shades, so you can definitely find one for your shade. And then we've used the concealer, and that one's also in Ivory, which is great for under the eyes and also covering up any blemishes that you've got as well. So for the playful pink look, we're going to be using these two gorgeous eyeshadow palettes. The first one is in Poser, which is number 6, and the second one is Superstar Sparkle in number 5. So we're going to use Poser all over the eyelid, which is a beautiful, soft, baby pink shade. So now we've got our base of pink, we're going to go in with the shimmer shade. Now the key thing for this is if you wet it very, very slightly, it will really sparkle. And we're just going to be placing this on the centre of each eyelid over the pink. And it really makes the eyes pop. So that's it for our eyeshadows. It's a really soft baby pink look, and we're going to be going in with mascara now, which is the Super Curler Extreme Black. So this mascara is great because it curls your lashes for 24 hours and it gives you volume and curl power all in one. You want to start with this at the base of your lashes and wiggle it up. Try and twist the ones to coat them nice and evenly. So for extra lift, you can turn your brush vertically and coat each lash individually. So now we've got our eyes done, we're going to move on to the cheeks, and I have got the Mono Blush in Live Pink, which is absolutely adorable. You want to just take the colour of this on your brush, smile, and pop it on the apples of your cheeks just to give you that rosy glow. You want to blend out your colour. So you can also use your Match Perfection concealer as a little bit of highlighter on the top of the cheeks. Just make sure the shade is slightly lighter than your foundation shade, and then blend it out with your ring finger. So onto the lips, and for this look we're going to go pink again, and we've got the Exaggerate lip liner here, and this one's in the shade East End Snob. So this is really great for defining your lips and making sure that the lip colour doesn't budge all day long. You want to start at the bottom and draw up, and then use your lip liner to colour in the rest of your lips. And when you're done with the liner, we can move on to the Provocateur Lips lip colour, because these last for 16 hours, so they're totally kiss-proof for your Valentine's Day date. So we start with the colour end and pop that all over your lips. You want to leave this just to set and dry a little bit before we go in with the Lip Lock Shine. And there we go, our playful pink Valentine's Day look. So we're going to be doing our nails now, guys, and for this one I've just done 2 coats of the Salon Pro in New Romantic. It's an absolutely gorgeous baby pink shade. So on the first finger we're going to go for this gorgeous rose gold glitter, which is Bring On the Glitter, and this one is literally just 1 coat. So on our ring finger we're going to be painting a little heart for Valentine's Day, and to do that we're just going to be using a white nail polish and a nail dotting tool, but if you don't have one of these you can always use a bobby pin. We're just going to take it straight from the bottle, and then we're just going to draw 3 dots on our nail next to each other to create the top of the heart, and then 1 underneath to create the bottom, and then fill that in to create your heart shape. So the great thing about the Salon Pro nail varnish, guys, is that they can last up to 10 days chip-free, and they give you a really nice gel finish, so you don't even need a top coat. So if you want to give this look a go, you can get all 4 of these core products from superdrug.com for just £10. This look's called Racy Red, and for this we're using the same base as we did before, but we're just going for a bit of a heavier eye and a really strong red bold lip. So we're going to start with the eyes again, and this time we're going to be using this Rimmel 5 pan, which is in Bricks and Brown. So you want to start off with the really light colour in the top right hand corner, and this is just going all over the eyelids to give us a really clean base. Next we're going to be taking the second lightest colour, which is the one in the bottom right, and just keep blending it through the crease just to darken that part of the eye up a little bit. And then we're going to darken the outer crease a little bit more by using this lovely slightly burgundy colour in the bottom left. Again, tap it off because it's quite a strong colour, so you don't want any fallout from your shadow. And do the same motion, but keep it on the outer corner of your eye. You can take this one underneath the eyelid a little bit as well. And then finally we're going to use the colour in the centre, which is absolutely gorgeous. And you just want to pop that on the centre of your eyelid and blend it through. So then take a big fluffy brush and blend all the colours together so you don't get any harsh lines. So next we're going to put eyeliner on, and this time we're going to be using the Scandalised Gel Liner. It's 24 hours, so it just does not budge. Draw a line that follows through from your under lash line and take it out just a little bit over the crease. Then you want to connect that line to the center of your eye using a little triangle motion in the corner. And then you want to take it through to the inner corner of your eye. And then you just have to colour it in. So for mascara, this time we're going to be using the Lash Accelerator Endless Mascara, and this has got fibres in it, which really helps to lengthen your lashes. So again, you want to start with the brush right at the base of your lashes and wiggle it up and out. So for this look, we're going to be using a beautiful kind of peachy coloured blush, and this is in the colour Santa Rose. You want to smile and apply it just to the apples of your cheeks. So this shade gives you a really soft blush look because we've gone a little bit heavier on the eyes, so we want to balance it out throughout the rest of the face. So we're going to go in with the Exaggerate lip liner. This one's called Call Me Crazy. Again, you want to fill in your lips with the lip liner colour. So I really like the lip liner colour on its own, but we're going to go for an even bolder colour with the Provoca Lips that's called Kiss Me You Fool, which is absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. Make sure you go right up to that lip line. We need to just let that dry for about 60 seconds. Then it's on to step 2, which locks in the colour and adds a little bit of shine. And there we go, our racy red Valentine's Day look. So for our Valentine's Day nail look, I've just put on 2 coats of the Salon Pro in Venus and 1 coat of Darling You Are Fabulous on my ring finger. And now we're going to wait for those to dry. We're going to put a glitter top coat on the first finger, and we're going to do some negative space hearts on the ring finger. So on our first finger, we're going to do a coat of the Rimmel Love Glitter Queen of Bling. So you want to pop a gold shade underneath and then dab the glitter polish over the top so it distributes evenly. So for the negative space, all we're going to do is take a cotton bud, dip it in nail varnish remover, placing the cotton bud on your nail and start to slowly strip away the colour in the shape of a heart. Add your top coat and you're good to go.